Springtime has arrived, my friends, and I've got a spring fever for top ClickBank offers. That's right, these are the best high-converting products you can go promote on paid ads, organic, social, email. The list just goes on and on, my friends. The most important thing, these are making affiliates a lot of money right now. And by the way, my name is Michael Lohman. I'm sure a lot of you know me by now, judging by the recent comments on our last few videos here. But if you don't know, hello and welcome. And I'm sure you want to say, Michael told me so. I'm an affiliate sales manager here at ClickBank, and I'm all about helping affiliates like you find and promote the best products, backed by proven stats, and of course, data. And data isn't just a guy on Star Trek. Found that out this morning. Now let's talk top ClickBank offers. Starting off at number 5, we got ProstaVive, which is back in the top 5, which is nice because it happens to rhyme. Anyway, this is a natural prostate health offer for men over 40. And let's just start with the metrics for this excellent offer. It's got an EPC of 49 cents, an average payout value of $150.07, and a hop conversion rate of 0.42%. And you're probably thinking, but that's low. That seems low. It's not low. Not when there's this many affiliates promoting it, and not when the top affiliates are getting well above $1.50 to $2. And I want to call out that $150 average payout. That's $150 in your pocket after every sale. Now, this powdered supplement can be mixed into a drink, providing more beneficial ingredients than a standard capsule, and the formula supports healthy prostate function, enhances urinator flow, and promotes overall vitality. You know it. And as an affiliate promoting ProstaVive, you can enjoy generous commissions on proven upsells that can push your earnings even higher. And best of all, it's only the latest winning offer from a top ClickBank Diamond vendor with a track record of over $80 million in yearly sales. So you can trust that this has been optimized and refined to maximize your conversions and your ROI. So as always, go to the marketplace, get that affiliate support that they're willing to give you, get those email swipes, get those creatives, get those advertorials, and start promoting. All right, folks, if you saw last month, our bonus offer, Audifort, is now solidly in the top 5 rankings. Yeah, that's right, it's coming in at number 4, and this supplement helps support healthy hearing, and it's surging right now. Here are the stats. It's got an EPC of 72 cents, an average payout value of $159.42, and a hop conversion rate of 0.5%. And Audifort offers you some of the highest EPCs on the market, meaning greater return on your traffic, and you can boost those earnings even more by upgrading to an impressive 75% rev share, making every sale that much sweeter. With proven funnels, readily available promotional materials, multiple links, and CPA available, Audifort is easily the best to test and start getting results on. By promoting Audifort, you can take advantage of a winning offer with proven results, real customer excitement, and a high potential for substantial affiliate earnings. So go find it in the marketplace and get started, get promoted. So you're probably wondering, what is Michael going to ask us to comment about this time? We've commented a lot. What's going on? Well, first, you guys have probably noticed our video is getting shared and is getting seen more widely. That is true. And trust me, we want to share results, but we still want to do this test. So we got one more. We want to get as many comments as possible. So what we want you to do is comment below, give Michael a raise. And am I doing this slightly for selfish purposes? Yeah. Second, for the data. Third, selfish. Fourth, data. Fifth, data. Sixth, selfish. Also, give me a raise. All right, in position number 3, we have a new offer, and it is called the Genius Switch. And it isn't just when they switch back to me on the videos. Got 'em. No. Check out these current stats. It's got an EPC of 80 cents. It's got an average payout value of $52.25 and a hop conversion rate of 1.64%. It really converts, and this digital program features a simple 7-minute-a-day auditory sequence that was developed by neuroscientists and endorsed by a top New York City neurologist. Customers report dramatic boosts in mental clarity, focus, creativity, and making it a powerful life-transforming tool that stands out for them in the niche. You'll also appreciate the sky-high conversions and low refund rates. This funnel is backed by a seasoned ClickBank marketer with nearly $100 million in sales, and it's already scaling on paid media. That means you can jump on board a proven winner and see impressive EPCs and ROIs fast. Now, if you're ready for an offer that delivers for your audience and your bank account, the Genius Switch is an affiliate gem you've been seeking, and you don't need to be a genius like me to realize that. So go, promote it. All right, if you've ever heard us talk about high converting affiliate products and thought, no, now you're speaking my language, then have we got the offer for you, because that's rocket languages. And just look at the proven language learning program stats of this offer. It's got an EPC of $3.32, an average payout value, $89.05, a hop conversion rate of 4%. It is amazing. This system combines interactive lessons, real-world conversations, and structured practice to deliver an engaging experience. It is perfect for anyone who just wants to pick up a new language for work, travel, or personal growth. It is actually an amazing product. And as an affiliate, you can tap into these amazing global market learners who are seeking a convenient, self-paced study opportunity. And when you're promoting it, you're offering a digital product that solves a real universal need, which is, huh? What did you say? It's great. So this product delivers real value and boasts high customer satisfaction, making your campaigns highly likely to convert and keep customers coming back. Just note that the approval is required for this one, so go apply for approval in the marketplace and you'll be accessing a great offer with low refunds and that just converts. So go to the marketplace today. And at number 1, we got the Energy Revolution system. It's a revolution, y'all. I'm not sure if I can say that right now. Do you feel the electricity in the room? Because I can feel it. Yep, it's the Energy Revolution system. Yeah, Energy Revolution system. That's what I meant by a revolution. Viva la revolución de energía. Now, it's got an EPC of 62 cents, an average payout value of close to $1, and a hop conversion rate of 1.82%. And if you're hunting for a winning offer in the energy niche, the Energy Revolution system is your golden ticket. This device can generate up to 7 times more electricity than traditional panels and runs on practically any power source, providing your audience with a simple way to trim their bills. And it's rooted in an inexpensive, century-old concept that was kept under wraps. Or so they tell us. So by promoting this system, you tap into the growing demand for off-grid solutions, especially with the climbing price of energy these days. And best of all, we love a high conversion rate of nearly 2% with an average payout of $50. And considering what's going on in the world right now, people are probably going to be wanting to find ways to lower their energy costs. So go to the marketplace today and get promoting. Now, you're probably thinking, why is he still here? Well, we got a bonus! Real quick, we have one bonus supplement that nearly cracked our top 5 rankings, and it's called ProDentim. Oh my God, you've heard of that before? Me too. It's got an EPC of nearly 60 cents, an average payout value of $167, and a hop conversion rate of close to 1% for top affiliates. And this is a classic by now. It's the famous probiotic candy designed to revamp oral health by targeting the microbiome. And this little melt in your mouth treat gives your audience a simple way for pain-free, strong, fresh breath and healthier gums. There, I got it. And you, as the affiliate, get to tap into a massive market of individuals aged 35 and up who want even better oral care and fresher breath. Plus, if you can bring the volume, you'll score some awesome commission bumps that will get you really stacking up those commissions. So be sure to go to ProDentim, turn your traffic into sales, and capitalize on this amazing quality CPA offer. We got amazing offers, foreign language offer, a men's health supplement, we got an alternative energy program, and the sky's the limit. So now what? Well, comment below, yeah. And besides giving some love to the like and subscribe buttons and trying to get me a raise, go check out the link in this description to sign up for a free ClickBank account if you somehow don't already have one, and get promoting today. And for even more top offers goodness, we have a new list of high quality performance e-commerce products on ClickBank that are worth a look as well. Just see this link right here that I'm pointing to, or we got the all the videos coming down because we're ending, and then now I'm like, can you even see me? Or is there too many pop-ups? Like, am I still here? Are you even paying attention? Did you fall asleep? Are you listening to this while you're falling asleep?